Roundabouts. Some drivers love them, others dread them. But one thing's for sure, when used correctly, they keep traffic flowing smoothly and safely. So why do they sometimes feel chaotic? If you've ever hesitated at a roundabout or felt unsure about which lane to choose, this video is for you. Welcome back to the Drive Smart campaign. Today we're breaking down how to navigate roundabouts with confidence. Whether you're driving in the UK or abroad, with the right approach, roundabouts don't have to be stressful. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Know the rules of the road. In the UK, the golden rule when approaching a roundabout is give way to traffic coming from your right. This keeps the flow of traffic moving efficiently. Slow down as you approach, check your right, and only enter when there's a safe gap. In other countries, the rules can differ. Some have yield signs or unique lane systems. If you're driving abroad, always check the local roundabout rules beforehand. Here's a quick question for you. Have you ever had a confusing or tricky roundabout experience? A particular roundabout you didn't like? Please share it in the comments. Tip 2. Choose the correct lane. Your lane choice depends on where you're going. As a general rule, the left exit or first exit, use the left lane. Straight ahead, you may be able to use either lane, but check road markings. Right exit, third or more, stick to the right lane and merge left when exiting. Always signal early and clearly. This helps other drivers anticipate your movements. Tip 3. Maintain a steady flow. Roundabouts work best when traffic keeps moving smoothly. Once you're in, avoid sudden stops or last-minute lane changes. Keep a steady speed, stay aware of vehicles ahead, and watch for pedestrians or cyclists at exits. Tip 4. Give larger vehicles extra space. Lorries and buses need more room to navigate roundabouts, especially multi-lane ones. Be cautious if driving alongside them. They may cut across lanes when turning. If in doubt, give them space to maneuver safely. Finding these roundabout tips useful? Hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from the Drive Smart campaign. Roundabouts don't have to be tricky. By knowing the rules, choosing the right lane, and maintaining a smooth flow, you can navigate them with confidence. Drive smart, stay safe, and keep watching for more expert driving tips.